Hello everyone. So we are in the third weekend of December month and I am running December detox weekend activities for my clients and on my private WhatsApp group if you want to be part of it. But for now, three questions which you can answer before moving into 2026 to do a health reset. First is, which habit has cost you the most this year? Late night, skipping meals, stress. If you are a working professional, sitting at one place for a longer period of time, being inactive. The second question is, which habit has helped you this year? Which has worked on your body? Because your body speaks to you, but are you listening to it? And the third, which is the new habit you want to be consistent with in 2026? Write down small steps, 10 minutes of activity, adding a fruit to your meals. Small activities, don't give a big goal for your consistency. And since we are in cold weather, the climate is changing, freezing cold in some of the regions, and you are going through cold, cough, down with fever, don't judge yourself. This is not the time to judge you. Judge yourself on your consistency, on your commitment. This is the time to slow down. Give your body the rest it needs. Thank you.